How to use the softbox to take a cool photo and how to create cool backlighting. In this video, I show you how to aim cool looking light using a softbox, and this time we use the flash optical snoot to make cool backlighting. We are using the Godox 8200 flash and the Godox parabolic softbox. The room is quite dark, poured concrete studio. First, we aim the softbox directly at the front of the subject face. It really looks like we've deliberately aimed the flash, and it's washed out with no real charm. Next, we try aiming from the side. It looks nice and three-dimensional. There's also some contrast. You can get a cool shot with women too. I like this direction of light. Next, we try a bit of a semi-backlighting by aiming diagonally from the back. There's an edge light, but because the room is dark, the subject face has also become dark. When the walls are dark, the light won't spread around. Therefore, we place a large reflector board at the front on the right and bounce the flash off it toward the face. It looks cool. This light has the feel I was going for, but the background is still too dark. So to add a backlight, we'll attach the optical snoot accessory onto the flash. This is an excellent accessory that is like a spotlight, and you can change the size and shape of the light. First, we add a round backlight without changing anything. The light that's hitting the subject is the same as before. The background is a bit brighter, and this looks pretty good as it is. This time, we add a filter to the snoot with a long thin thread. The light will become a long thin line. It looks like sun rays are peeking through, and it makes for a very cool backlighting. We also have a blind curtain shaped filter, so let's try to use it. This looks good too. There are so many various filters, so you can use what you like. This time, we've used one with a shape on the background which looks like this. Very interesting, right? It's a flash, so you can easily change the brightness for the backlighting, and you can use this spotlight as the main lighting as well. Please give it a try, everyone!